Looking for the best hole punches? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 hole punches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. KNIPEX, Revolving Hole Punch Pliers Tool. Powder-coated construction works well for punching holes in most textiles, leather, and other fabrics. Revolving hole puncher capable of creating 6 different sized holes. Made by a trusted name in tools. Popular brand and easy to use design that is built for fabrics and textiles. However, it comes with some typical concerns and a higher price than similar models. Pricey for its class. Some tough materials may cause it to malfunction or break. Handles don't provide the best leverage. Not recommended for metals. At number 2. XOOL, Revolving Punch Plier Kit. Has a revolving punch design that is easy to use, and can punch 6 different sized holes. Users love how well it works for leather crafts. Includes a grinding rod, backup pad, and screwdriver. This punching tool is affordable, easy to use, and practical for many jobs. It also comes with numerous accessories and makes variety of hole sizes. A great pick for crafts and hobbies. A few owners wish it could punch larger holes. Has the tendency to jam. Prone to breakage if used incorrectly, not suited for metal. At number 1. Neiko, Multi-Purpose Power Hole Punch Kit. Punches holes in numerous materials, thanks to the solid metal construction. Handles are coated for an improved grip. Comes with 7 punches and dies in a variety of popular sizes. Includes a storage case. More than just punch pliers, this tough tool comes with a comprehensive set of extras in an organized storage case to help tackle almost any hole punching task. On the heavy side. Can be challenging for individuals with hand problems such as arthritis. Design makes it hard to see area as you punch holes. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.